Hey guys, in this video, we're reviewing the Pelsbarn dog bed, a viral pet product that claims to offer orthopedic support, calming comfort, and luxury softness for your furry friend. But is it really as good as it looks, or just another overhyped pet accessory? Let's break it down. The Pelsbarn dog bed is marketed as a cozy, donut-shaped bed designed to relieve joint pain and anxiety in dogs. It features soft fox fur fabric, a raised rim for head and neck support, and a non-slip bottom. The brand emphasizes orthopedic benefits, especially for older dogs, and highlights machine washable covers for easy cleaning. It's available in various sizes, catering to both small breeds and large dogs. Many pet owners online praise the bed for its plush feel and how quickly their pets took to it. Dogs reportedly nap longer and seem more relaxed, particularly those with anxiety or mobility issues. The brand also appears to offer a satisfaction guarantee and runs regular discounts on their official website. However, there are some mixed reviews. A few customers mentioned long shipping times or receiving a bed that was smaller than expected. Others felt the bed was overpriced for the quality, especially when compared to similar products on Amazon. So, is the Pelsbarn dog bed legit or a scam? It is legit. The product does exist, has a real customer base, and delivers on its core comfort features for most buyers. Still, it may not be the miracle bed for every dog, and sizing can be tricky. If you're considering it, double check the size chart and watch for sales to get the best value. And that would be all for this review video. Thanks for watching.